I've been running around the office asking everybody one question.
Hmm.
You know, what have you learned? What have you implemented in your business? But I'm gonna reverse this. I'm gonna hand you the mic. Here you go. And you ask any question you want. It's
Okay.
all up to you.
Okay. Ed,
Yes.
you built a great team here in the South Bay so far. I think
Yes.
we're one of the highest agents teams, if that makes sense. One of
Sure.
the highest teams that has the most agents.
Yeah.
Now, what is your goal and what do you see happening with your team and building all these agents on the squad?
It's a great question. So my goal is to build the most elite team that's delivering the best. It sounds cliche, but I believe in providing amazing service to our clients, like the best, the absolute best. And so all I look for when we're trying to build this team is build this team to an elite level where they're providing service and knowledge and value to our clients that is better than anybody else. And I'm also going to be looking at the team at who's elevating to that level. And it's not about how big we get, but it's about how good we get. So I have to remove the bottom of the crop and let the cream cup keep rising to the top and find that best group that is the ultimate. And the only way I can figure that out is bringing on more team members, pouring into them, training them, watching them grow, watch them succeed, remove the ones that just aren't performing. And at some point, we're going to have this elite team that just can't be touched. And the customer service and the experience that our clients are going to receive will be second to none. That's what I'm passionate about. So I don't know else how to explain it, if that makes sense, but great question. And Corey, you are the cream of the crop. You're right there at the top. So keep up the good work.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You got it.